In this video, I will show you how to get access to brand registry in Amazon Seller Central in 10 days. It's not the IP Accelerator program where you have to pay around $1,000, and it's going to be the regular trademark office fee of $225, and I'll show you a step-by-step on how to apply and get the insider link to the trademark invitation only so you can apply. Let's start. What's up guys, this is Tomer from sourcingmonster.com and welcome to another video. And if it's your first time here and you want to learn more on how you can create your own brand, selling private label products on Amazon and creating a scalable income from anywhere in the world, start now by subscribing to the channel and click the bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay guys, so before we start and I show you about this method, let me show you the three options for you to get brand registry. The traditional way, like I did with my first brand, was to apply for a trademark, and only after you get the approval you can go ahead and apply in Amazon Seller Central to get your brand registry approved. This took me around 9 months and I paid the regular fee of $225, and this is the traditional way. There is a new way that was announced last year it's a new program that Amazon launched, and it's called IP Accelerator, where you apply to a trademark through one of the approved office firms or attorney firms that Amazon suggests, because they trust these attorneys and they trust the process that if they apply for a specific trademark, they are telling, like they're assuming that they did the search good enough to have that trademark approved. So based on that, they give a trust and they give you access to brand registry after you submit your trademark. Now there is a new method that I tried myself and it's working on a new brand that I just launched, and it's going to be applying to a trademark like the traditional way, but once the trademark is pending and it's searchable on the trademark office website, USPTO, then you can get your brand registry access, which is faster than an IP Accelerator program without paying those extra fees. You pay like a regular trademark, okay? So if I will cover briefly on what is the brand registry, because I want to really cover in depth on how to apply, which is a step-by-step process. So if you're watching this video, you already know what are the benefits, but if not, let me just briefly explain. Accurate brand representation. Brand registry gives you more control over Amazon product pages that use your brand name, so customers are more likely to see the correct information associated with your brand. Powerful search and report tools. So you have brand analytics, which give you access directly from Amazon. It's a powerful tool, but let's read. Simplify the process of finding cases of potential infringement with our custom features designed specifically for brands, so it's good for hijackers. Global search for content in different Amazon stores from the same screen without even having a negative to navigate away. Image search, find product listings on Amazon that match your product or logo using images. This is something that I didn't know that it's available. I'll definitely try it and look for it. Bulk ASIN search for a list of ASINs or product URLs to explore and report potentially infringement content fast. After you complete your search, Brand Registry provides you with simple and guided workflows to submit a report potential infringement that we can review and take appropriate action on. So this helped me recently when I had a competitor that steal my bullets, and I reported them and they contacted them. So that's another tool through brand registry reporting tool. Additional proactive brand protections. In addition to our standard proactive measures to protect customers, brand registry uses information that you provide about your brand to implement additional predictive protections that attempt to identify and remove potentially bad listings. The more you tell us in brand registry about your brand and its intellectual property, the more we can help you protect your brand. For example, product listings that aren't for your brand and incorrectly use your trademark terms in their titles. Images that contain your logo but are for products that don't carry your brand name. Sellers shopping products from countries in which you do not manufacture or distribute your brand. Product listings being created with your brand name when you have already listed your full product catalog on Amazon. So this is give you protection, especially for us, private label product, like doing the private label products model. Expand your ad option. So this is, I think, in my opinion, the best thing that you get with brand registry. You can do video ads, you can do sponsored ads, you can do so many things that the normal accounts without brand registry cannot do. Brand registry support. Our global team is available 24 hours, 7 days a week to help you with questions that you might have. Brand building benefits. Build and grow your business on Amazon by taking advantage of tools like enhanced brand content, stores. This is also great features because you get the storefront, you get the A+ content that you can implement, you can add videos. Actually, video now it's available to everyone on your listing with the images. And brand dashboard. Learn more by visiting Amazon services. Okay, so this was just to cover if you didn't know what brand registry gives you. Okay, how to enroll with this new method. Okay, make sure before you apply that you have your brand name already, you have your logo, and you have a picture of the product with that shows the logo, like a physical picture of the packaging. Like for example, you see this. It's a vitamin C, and this is the brand name. American Health. Okay, so American Health is the brand name. So you need to make sure that you have a real physical package showing or label showing your product in use. Okay, search step number 1. Okay, let's go. You have to go to the USPTO website, uspto.gov, and go to trademarks. After you go to trademarks, go to searching trademarks. Go here and click search our trademark database. And I like to do let's do, so you get a couple of options to search for a brand. Let's word and or design mark search structured. Okay, so let's pretend my brand name is American Health. Okay, American Health, American Health. Let's see, they have a couple of pages. Let's go back. Okay, American Health PPE. So if I would want to really, and it's live, you see, it's live. So if I want to have this brand name, American Health, I would be in a little problem because you have American Health PPE. So this is a little risky. You can still apply for American Health only, but take in mind that it might be rejected because they might say, you know what, there is already a brand name or trademark that is already approved with American Health PPE, which is very similar, so we are not going to approve your brand name. So just take it in mind. If I would see that, I will not really, like, I will go after a different name. Okay, so that's something that you should do before you decide on a brand. But if you already decided and you see that, kind of screwed. But let's try to put something else. Okay, so let's say I'm selling toys. Okay, so sourcing toys, and do like that. Sourcing toys. Okay, so it gives me some vague information about like names and stuff like that. Let's do it without the O. Okay, so put sourcing toys. Okay, so this is just exact word. Okay, any search terms or exact search phrase. Okay, so we're looking for something that has the exact search phrase, and let's write the American Health. Okay, so American Health, as you can see, it's like that. But let's say we did like the sourcing toys. That's our brand name. There is nothing here. That means that we can go ahead and proceed to the next step. Okay, so what is the next step? The next step would be to create an account. Okay, so how you create an account? You go to the USPTO office and you go to my USPTO and you log in, okay? If you don't have an account, just click here and create an account. If you do have an account, just log in, okay? I will log in to my account. And now that I'm logged in, I can go ahead and proceed with registering the trademark. How do I do that? Go to here, trademarks, apply online. You need the initial application forms. Start your application in TEAS. Ready to apply. They're asking me for a verification code, so I will. Okay, I got it. Okay, now we can go ahead and do that. Now I did recently the TEAS plus. That's enough. And they're asking us at step number 1 to choose that. Is an attorney filing this application? No, I'm doing it myself. Now, optional to upload the previously saved file? No, because I'm starting fresh, new. I'm gonna click continue. Okay, now owner of the mark, just put your name here. Let's say it's Tomer David. Here, entity type. So what is your, are you LLC, are you individual? You have to choose what entity type you are applying with. I am an LLC. Now mailing address, put the mailing address where your company is registered, your LLC, or your address is individual. Now if you don't want your address to show, just choose a PO box. Just make sure that it's matching to the business registration address, okay? Just put the address. Let's put address Mainly Street, New York. Just coming up with an address just for the purpose of this video, okay? 10036. Okay, phone number, put your email. Put your email. Website address is not necessary, but you can go ahead. Click continue. Now, if individual, okay, you must enter the state or country where legally organized. So let's see where it is. Oh, this is an entity type as you can put your like legal name LLC. Continue. Oh, I need to choose the state or country. So let's say New York. Okay. Okay. A telephone number is not been entered. Although optional, a telephone number would help to examine attorney contact you. Okay, let's go back and put their telephone number, okay? Okay, just put some number here. Okay, next step, you have to put your mark here, okay? So in our case, it's sourcing toys, right? Now you preview the generated image, you make sure it's correct. And then the additional statement section of this one is, okay, let's go continue. Okay, now they want you to add the category, I think, and the service. Enter word number of phrase to search. Okay, so let's say I'm selling toys. That's my brand name. So I'm gonna search for toys here. Infant toys, pet toys, cat toys, sex toys, push toys, bath toys. Let me find something that is more general. Donating. You choose your own category. For now, let's just put this one, okay? This one. Insert checked entries. And then I can continue. No filing basis was assigned to first class. Okay. Uh, The four buttons below identify the choices. I'm sorry, I just, did it like once or twice, so I don't exactly remember what everything means, but I'm reading it, and if you're not sure, read it as well. Just make it a little smaller. Okay. So, the four buttons below identify the choices of filing basis to be assigned to the item listed in the table. Above, because assignment of the correct basis to each item is critical, please read the explanation of each basis. You have any questions as to which basis to select before clicking the button below to begin the assignment of the basis. Okay, so I'm gonna read it. TSL app section here. New specimen, additional new specimen may be attached for each international class. You go ahead and read it, but let's for now. It's actually giving us some explanation. Actually using mark in commerce now, no use of market, intending to use, foreign application exists for same goods services, foreign registration exists. Okay, so those are only if you have a trademark in other country. This one if you're not using it and you plan to use it, and this one if you're already using it. So we already started the process, we importing from China and all of that, we're gonna choose section A. Okay, now the specimen we have to attach picture and we have to upload the picture of our product using it, and then you're gonna click attach. Okay, let's just put some picture. Okay, some random picture. Oh, that's a JPEG. Here's a JPEG. Okay, now it's allowing me. Now if you have more than, okay, not a supported format. JPEG, they said it's good. Okay, JPEG. Okay, it's good. Let's go back, return to form. Now if you have more than one picture, just upload it, it's fine. Now check this box if you are attaching a color specimen. Yes, it's a color. Description, you can put the description. First use, put your first use. When you started to, actually, when you created the listing, I'll put 0. They give you the format, so 08, let's say 24. That's when I understood the other trademark. And assign filing basis. No description of the attached specimen. Go back. Picture of packaging. Okay. Wait. Has been detected. The text entered in the specimen description field is either improperly formatted or contains characters that the USPTS cannot display. That's weird. Go back. Proof of package. I hope it's not gonna give me any error. Okay, good. Okay, now we just, I think, the review page just to make sure everything is correct. We're gonna click on continue. And if I'm not wrong, now it's where you have to pay the fee. Okay, they look like they have they have some error with the website. Let's go back. Let's refresh this. Internal server error. So when we record this video, we have this error, which is super, super weird. Let's go back and try to continue from where we left. Doesn't allow me to do it. That's weird. Plus, no. Continue. What the hell? Let's do LLC. Let's do New York. Let's do everything again, okay? New York. New York. Okay, telephone. Email. Continue. What is missing? US phone number. Continue. sourcing toys, continue, add goods or services, 028 or toys. Let's choose this one, insert, section A, attach the picture, attach, return to form, proof of package, assign, continue. Okay, now it's good. Now, trademark service mark application principal registry. Check here to appoint the US licensed attorney. No. Everything is correct here. Continue. Okay, that now is the fee. You have to sign. You have to do add signature. Let's just put Tomer David. Owner. I'll put also the phone number again. Validate. Check all the boxes. So let's see what is missing. Bases. You have to check all of this. Just make sure that you read them. Now, again, disclaimer, I'm not a trademark attorney, and what I show here is from my experience, and it might not 100% work for you, so take this in mind, read everything carefully and apply. Worst case scenario, you lose the 225. Good scenario is that you have in 10 days like your trademark. Okay, so this is the fees. Read the following before. Oh, the signature. You must enter your signature in the proper format. Oh, okay, like with the proceed and follow by 2 forward slashes example. So you have to do it like that. Let's just put John Smith, okay? Validate. Okay, perfect. Step 2, yada yada, pay and submit. So I'm not gonna submit it, but when you pay and submit, you're gonna get a confirmation email, okay? Now, so apply for the trademark, create account. If you're a US citizen, I didn't mention this, but if you're a US citizen or resident, green card, you can do it yourself like I did now. If you are not a US citizen, then you can use a trademark attorney service. It will cost you, I think, like something like $100, and they apply for you, and it's still cheaper than IP Accelerator, and you can see their fees, their prices, and they can apply for you. Okay, $89 a month. Oh, this is just check online, like do research. Shouldn't be a complicated thing. Okay, step 4, wait until your trademark is searchable. Okay, so after you pay and submit here, you are going to get an email that looks like that. Okay, the email will say thank you for submitting your trademark application. Yeah, here's my trademark there, and here you will have a serial number. Okay, once you have this serial number, you have to wait like 2-3 days. Okay, you wait 2-3 days, and then you go to trademarks, search trademark database, and let's go and try to find some trademark ID for an item. Let's say this one looks like a good and big brand. Let's say Pure Daily Aquasonic. Aquasonic is the brand name. Okay, serial number. Okay, this is just an example to show you how it works. But once you actually have your trademark and you do the search, you're going to do, let's go back again, USPTO, trademarks. No, this is the database. Check the status, I think. Here. Okay, yeah, that's what we need. And then we put the number, status. Once you see a status and it's searchable, that's when you can apply to brand registry with Amazon. Okay, this will take you like 3-4 days, like up to a week max. Okay, in my case, I did it on Friday, and Monday it was available. So if you do it like Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday, that should be available here. Okay, once you get that number, let's go back. That's step 4, once it's searchable. Step 5, once searchable, apply here. Okay, this is a link that I'm sharing only with you. Okay, that's a pending trademark request. That's a link that says waitlist sign up for brands with pending trademarks. Okay, you're going to put your a country, the number here, your name, your email, your company, your brand name. If the seller account, provide a token. If you're not sure how to provide the token, you go to Seller Central and you go here to settings, account info, merchant token, and you give them that number, okay? And then you submit. After you submit, wait like 2-3 days and you are going to get an email that looks like that. Hello, we are reaching out to you because you have a pending trademark application with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. We would like to invite you to enroll to Amazon Brand Registry program as part of the new invitation-only pilot program for brands with pending trademark. Amazon Brand Registry program helps with right owners to protect their intellectual property on Amazon. Blah, 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 blah. So for one of you, you have to click here, okay? I'm sorry, you have to click on complete this form. When you complete the form, it's a form, you have to fill out your details, and that's it. You wait like 2-3 days, and then you get a ticket from Amazon seller, like brand registry seller support, that your brand has been approved. For me, it took me 10 days, which is nothing, and it's a really step-by-step guide. I wish I had something like that with someone to show me a step-by-step. I had to figure it myself, but it's pretty easy now for you to apply without waiting all this time, like 9 months, like I waited before. Now I didn't wait, and I hope that you will register your brand. Please share with me if you applied and your success stories. It will encourage me to create more videos like that. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.